let's get into it. Hey there, I'm Matt Nemetz with Focal Fuse, where the goal is to help you be seen, heard, and understood with captivating visuals. This is the video series where I learn, apply, and teach branding, design, and video with you. With that being said, let's get into it. So early advancements like newspapers back in the 1600s made it really easy for visual design and communication to be used to exploit the advancements in different industries. So nowadays, graphic design and visual communication has been a lot more popular to help companies stand out from the competition, to really connect with their audience and to make a difference and get their products and services sold. So one of the ways that graphic design helps you grow your business is by allowing you to connect with your audience. If you look around today, there's no shortage of brands and there's no shortage of people marketing and trying different ways to stand out and be noticed. One of the best ways to stand out and be noticed is to effectively communicate your message in a way that's visually interesting and allows people to remember it. And so by doing this, you're able to reach your target market, you're able to reach the people that you want to talk to and communicate to, and let them know about your product or service or whatever it is that you offer. And you really can make yourself stand out and disrupt through the clutter and all the noise that's going on today as you're scrolling through your feeds and seeing the same type of information and content. One of the ways to connect with them is to stand out and create something that's visually impactful that will make them stop and really engage in conversation with you, which is the end goal. So graphic design helps you create engagement and talking points and start up conversations about important things that matter. And it really helps people start to form a relationship with what it is that you're doing and with your brand. So the second way that graphic design helps you grow your business is by allowing you to look the part. By having a professional, established, and cohesive looking marketing and branding, this will allow you to establish trust. It'll allow you to build your credibility in your market and really look authoritative and stand out amongst your competitions. The more you're able to create a professional sense of branding, the easier it is to stand out in a world where everybody offers the same things or everybody has products that are quite similar. And this really helps differentiate who you are, what you stand for, and help you voice your opinion in a visual manner to communicate the most effectively and in the end win more customers. So the third way that graphic design can help you grow your business is by allowing you to communicate easier and solve more problems. And graphic design is all about doing just that. It's about effectively solving problems. So if you're able to communicate visually, you're able to show people many times better than what you can tell them, and people oftentimes remember images better than they remember words. So if you can create something impactful that also clearly communicates your message, you're more able to stick in someone's mind and stand out and create an impact where you can then communicate and solve whatever problem it is that you're looking to do, and whatever people are needing, you can offer a solution to that in a way that they will then remember and even relate with and identify with. So graphic designers are trained in different ways to use color, typography, and fonts, and styles, and compositions, and hierarchy, and all these design principles. We're able to then take into consideration when we're creating messaging for your brand or what it is or who it is that you're trying to connect with. So the fourth and one of the most practical ways that graphic design helps you grow your business is by allowing you to boost your sales. So having impactful and effective graphic design really helps customers and clients relate to your brand and identify with your brand and what it is that you stand for, whether that's through emails, newsletter designs and graphics, to campaigns or posters or whatever it is that you were trying to put out. Having these effective graphic designs allows people to form a relationship with your brand and allows them to become loyal to you, and in the end, loyalty will grow sales. People will talk about you and be happy to spread your name. So when graphic designs communicate clearly, are effective and appropriate for your brand and what you represent, then you're really able to attract new customers and over time build relationships with these customers that could then turn into customer loyalty and more sales in the end. So graphic designs are really correlated to lasting impressions with people and having them go from a prospective customer to a loyal customer, and in the end help you win more clients and grow your sales. So the fifth way that graphic design allows you to grow your business is by helping you stand for something. When you're able to visually communicate and express what it is that you stand for, this helps differentiate you from the competition. It helps you stand out. It helps you present your unique value proposition and what makes you different, how you're able to solve problems more effectively than others, or how your product or service is able to provide better results than the others are. So this allows you to do many different things. Graphic design can help you show how you're able to solve your customers' needs, whether that be through a marketing campaign, email blasts, and having graphics that are impactful, posters, social media content. Graphic design helps spice up videos and make them look more polished. So graphic design has many different ways that can be implemented to really convey your message the most effectively. It can come down to the colors that you choose, the types of fonts and type styles that you use to convey a message. If it's something that's more bold, you could use more bold typography. But you really have to be trained and understand and have a little bit of expertise to understand how to utilize the different principles and combine them to create a result that wins and that really gets the message across in a simple and easy and understandable way that is true to your brand and makes the most sense to your audience. So these are just a few of the ways that graphic design helps you grow your business, among many others. It's one of the things that should not be overlooked, especially in this day and age, and as things become more digital and as people start to work from home more often. It's going to be something that's going to really help people stand out from the rest. If you've had graphic design done before or understand the importance, please leave a comment below and let me know how graphic design has helped your business grow. Be on the lookout for more videos like this coming soon. If you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. And if you think someone would like to see this or could use this video, make sure to share it with them. With that being said, thank you guys again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.